self-watering planter is great for forgetful gardeners because it's got a reservoir in the base to keep plants hydrated. So once a week or so, you can pour water straight into the reservoir using the pipe, and the water will gradually wick up into the soil. To get started, you'll need a basic plastic box you can get from any discount store. Eventually, we'll fit that into a crate to make it a bit easier on the eye. You'll also need some gravel, a length of PVC pipe, geotextile fabric, potting mix, and some plants, of course. To create the reservoir, pour a layer of gravel into the base of the plastic box about 5 centimeters deep. Then dig a few holes and push in some small pots. Using a hacksaw, cut the PVC pipe so it's the same length as the box and insert it into the side so it's resting on the base. This is what we're going to use to fill the reservoir. We also need to drill an overflow hole in the side of the box, just above the gravel layer. Cut a piece of geotextile fabric and lay it over the gravel. This keeps the soil contained so your reservoir doesn't get all muddy. Make sure it's above the overflow hole so soil doesn't leak out. Carefully lower the box into the crate, then fill the plastic tub with a good quality potting mix, leaving some space at the top. Place your plants in position. Then backfill the soil and firm it down lightly. Before watering, we're going to make a gauge. To do that, just insert a sharpened paddle bob stick into a wine cork, then pop it in the tube. When you pour in water, the cork will float, and when it's about 5 centimeters above the top, you've watered enough. The reservoir has filled up. So now you can enjoy fresh herbs with your meals, and you've got no excuse for forgetting to water your plants.